Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of the new Husky 3-in-1 staple gun combo kit. Comes with a lifetime warranty. The combo kit's product number is 1008-237-756. Steel body, easy squeeze, heavy duty staples, staple box included, which is 1000 pack of 3/8 steel staples. Excuse me. So this is used also for driving in 18 gauge brad nails, 5/8, maximum 5/8 or 15 millimeters. Staples that it can drive are 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, half, and 9/16. 9/16 are the longest ones, 14 millimeters. Their product numbers right there, and also cross-reference for RO, DeWalt, and so on. Products made in India and comes in Home Depot. It's a kind of a new thing. I haven't seen this product before, so it's a new thing. I don't know what E23M stands for, printed right here, but it has a nice ergonomic grip from looks like a rubberized, something between ABS plastic, probably with, so I think it's rubberized plastic with polybutadiene overmold. Little bit of instructions here. That's where you drive the nails on this side. I was interested in this. Instructions are, kind of stamped over here. Pull back and drop in staples, brad pins with points up. That's interesting. I really like the design of it. It's sturdy, minimalistic, yet sturdy. So it has somewhat light load, but this is the most interesting thing. So you can regulate the force here. If you want more force, pull this lever down. If you want less force or normal, pull it up. So that's how you load it. Take the spring up, then drive this here, load it here, and let's see how it will drive. Okay, so that's under the minus. It's completely inside and sticking out maybe just a little bit. I'm not sure if I can show this. It's sticking just a little bit. So let's see it. Let's flip that and compare. So I really like this difference. So you see how one sticks out just a little bit, where the other one is recessed in the wood with the same ratio. Yep. So I think it's really functional, well planned and machined, serviceable too. You can take those pins out, clean it, and so on. I like the rubberized grip here and here. That would make it a little bit easier on the hands. So the pull is about, I would say it's about 8 pounds. You need considerable force to pull, which makes it easier to Makes it easier to kind of make sure that it's going to hit correctly. So a few more markings: number 8, number 9, 5/8 and 9/16 of nails with head and pin nails, as well as 1/4 inch to 9/16. Yeah, I like the reference here. Basically, it's a new thing, and the best thing I like about Huskies, and specifically about this product, is those are prone to breaking, like every now and then. Most importantly, the strike plate can get damaged, like if you drop this, or if you hit something or a nail or something like that, the strike plate gets bent, and once this happens, it will not drive correctly. It would not drive correctly the staples. So with those are really prone to breaking. So coming with a lifetime warranty speaks a lot about the product concept and design. One thing, there is only one thing that I didn't like about this product, and that is that the handle is always expanded. You don't have a lock or something like that to store it this way, but at the same time, this could be also an advantage because there is a spring tension here. So with this setting, that spring tension is released, so it just takes a little bit more space this way, but it is what it is. It comes with also a pocket clip that can be installed on various locations, and yeah, I think it's a very good product and very good design. So there you go, Husky 3-in-1 staple gun combo kit. Thanks for watching.